good morning. Welcome to our Croatian homestead or our house build. Finally, the excavator is here. We don't have to carry any more bricks. So much better. Now this job will be done much easier. So excited and happy. And this looks really good. It's a bit windy outside, but it's not too cold. The excavator only took like 3 hours to put all this on. Lucky we didn't have to do anything by hand. There's much more space now in the over there, and also we've left 6 pallets there, which is the brickwork that goes above the slab, so that can stay there till we have the slab down. But now I finally have a way through my property. I can get an excavator, tractor, anything through the property now, which is great. After so long, I have taken all these boards off where I had all the measurements for the surveyor. Oh, it's so nice just to walk straight instead of walking around them, doing the lawn around them. Ah, beautiful. Also, I have taken all the formwork off that these other guys have left. We're getting there. Looks much better now. Another day is finished. Really happy with today. This is a second excavator that I've asked to try to get. Then I have to say thank you to Josip again, because this guy came and he wouldn't come, and then Josip called him and then he came. So looks like you gotta know someone who knows someone to get stuff done, even if you want to pay for it. I'm really happy with today. Lots got done. The building is taking shape. With the auto chicken doors, I glued it and they're working just fine now. So a little hiccup, but hey, easily fixed. There's a lot of windows and a lot of windows that are going floor to ceiling. A lot of cutting in, not many full bricks to be installed, but I'm happy, should look good. As the day is finishing, I'm gonna finish the video here as well. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and cheers. Počela kiša.